Car dents can be frustrating, but the good news is that you do not always need a trip to the body shop. Many minor dents can be fixed right at home. A small dent repair kit lets you fix car dents easily at home, saving time and money on repairs. First, set the strip line board for dent repair according to the angle of the dent. Once this is set, clean the surface thoroughly with rubbing alcohol to remove any dirt or residue. Then, heat the dented area evenly using a hair dryer or heat gun. Next, apply hot glue to the oval-shaped puller and attach it directly to the center of the dent. Wait for about 5 minutes to allow the glue to fully harden. Once the glue is set, position the pulling device over the glued puller. Gently squeeze the handles, or screw the device to gradually pull the dent out. Adjust the tension as needed until the dent pops out. After the dent has been pulled, you'll notice the glue is still attached to the surface. Simply spray a little rubbing alcohol around the glue, and it will soften, allowing you to remove it easily. Finally, wipe the surface clean with a microfiber cloth. Repeat the process again if the dent remains. Be sure to use a dent puller that matches the size of the dent. Your dent is now successfully removed, and your car's body is back to its original shape. Boiling water is another effective method to remove a dent from your car. Boil water in a large container. Pour the water into a pan or vessel for easy handling. Then, carefully pour the boiling water over the dented area of the car. Immediately after, use a suction plunger to try and pull the dent out, while the area is still warm and flexible. Make sure to work quickly, as the heat helps loosen the material for easier dent removal. This process will leave your car looking smoother and help restore its original shape without professional tools. A suction cup helps remove car dents easily without damaging the paint, making it a quick and paint-safe repair option. First, heat the dented area. Then, apply compressed air by holding the can upside down to release ultra-cold air onto the heated area. Let it sit for a few minutes to allow the sudden temperature change to affect the metal. After a few minutes, wipe the surface clean with a microfiber cloth. Next, heat the area again using the heat gun to make the metal more flexible. Now it's time to use the suction cup. Place the suction cup over the dent and pull it out steadily with firm pressure. Repeat this process several times if necessary. You can also use the heat gun during the pulling process if the dent is stubborn. By following these methods, you will effectively pop out dents and restore your car's smooth surface at home.